Hello friends, this is Vishal Singh Chauhan from Infinity Management and Engineering College. In this video, we're gonna see detail about virtual private networking. A virtual private network or a VPN is an encrypted connection over the internet from your remote network to your main office network. So, VPN allows to computer or a whole network to connect each other over the internet securely. So, if you have your branch office in India and main office in Dubai, so VPN allows you to connect securely from India to Dubai securely over the internet. We will see why we got the need of VPN. Let's say you are transferring data from your remote office India to main office in Dubai over the internet, which is unsecure network, so that hacker can attack your data and can decrypt the data. This make the unsecure communication because we were transferring data over the public network and might have chances of loss of data. In this, VPN will provide secure communication over the public network. Going to see in detail working of VPN. VPN will encrypt the data from the sender to recipient by the help of VPN tunnel and tunneling protocol, which is utilized to encrypt the data to help ensure confidentiality of data as it travel all the shared or public network. It is encrypted about the sender and decrypted about the receiver because the data encryption is performed by the VPN client and the VPN servers. So it is necessary to use data encryption on the communication link. Two tunneling protocol which is mainly utilized in VPN, that is point to point tunneling protocol, that is PPTP, and layer 2 tunneling protocol which is L2TP. A single VPN tunnel has speed of 3 Gbps. With VPN you can connect or you can log into corporate network while traveling or working from home or just from your mobile device. You need to enter your username and password, the VPN client, and after authentication, you will get connected to your corporate network. Another advantage of VPN is that, let's say, a website is blocked in India and the same website is allowed to access in Dubai. Now, you will get connected to VPN and you can accept the website. For example, let's say Facebook is not allowed to access in India, but it is allowed to exist in Dubai region. So when you get connected to VPN, you will get connected to the Dubai network, so that you can access all the website that is being allowed in this Dubai network. The condition for this routine is that you need to have the same company VPN client and the same company's VPN server. Let's say you are having your VPN client of Cisco, then you need to have Cisco VPN server, or your Microsoft VPN client, they need to have Microsoft VPN gateway. The both the VPN client and the VPN gateway need to be of same company. Now we are going to see the types of VPN. There are two types of VPN: site to site VPN and remote access VPN. Site to site VPN is used where there is a need to connecting entire network in one location to another network location. This is usually a small branch connecting to a data center. Site to site VPN connection is a network to a network connection or a server to a server connection. Next is remote access VPN. In remote access VPN, the user can connect to corporate network with the help of VPN client. The VPN client can be installed and can be used on laptop, tablet or smartphones. So a remote access VPN is a connection from your VPN clients, that is from your computer to a network. The user just need to enter their username and password and they will get connected to corporate network. Thanks for watching.